everyone! Let's draw our jolly Santa Claus. Cute nose, fluffy mustache, and a big happy smile. Next, two twinkly eyes, round face, and his cozy hat with a fluffy pom-pom. Now, let's add his big soft beard. Shiny and bright like Christmas lights. His gloves, belt, and shoes get a cool blue touch. Santa's looking stylish. Mustache and beard sparkle with shiny silver. Wow, Santa's glowing with Christmas magic. Great job, everyone! Our Santa Claus looks super cute and festive. Don't forget to like and subscribe.